What's up, viewers? Welcome to another class of Spanish learning. Today, we're going to be talking about saludos, presentaciones, and despedidas, which are greetings, introductions, and farewells. First things first, we're going to start with greetings. So first, we have hola, which means hello, buenos dias, which means good morning, buenas tardes, which means good afternoon, and buenos noches, which means good evening and good night. Continuing with greetings, we have como esta, which means how are you, and we also have como estás usted, which means how are you. The difference between the two is that when you're talking to a friend or a relative, you would use como está because it's more familiar. While if you're talking to a professor or someone you're just meeting or something, you would use usted because it's more formal. Next, we have que tal, which means how's it going, and some response to those questions are más o menos, meaning so-so, regular, meaning okay, bien gracias, meaning fine, thank you, basta bien, meaning just fine, and muy bien, meaning really well. We also have y tú and y usted, meaning and you. This is for when, like, for example, if someone was to say, "Cómo estás?" you will respond, "Muy bien." Y tú saying and you. The difference, as we said earlier, is for more familiar people in your life, you would use to, and for people you don't really know or just meeting, you would use usted. Now we move on to las despedidas, or the farewells. First, we have chao, meaning bye, adios, meaning goodbye, hasta mañana, meaning see you tomorrow, hasta luego, see you later, and hasta pronto, see you soon. For the final part of today's lesson, we have las presentaciones, which is introductions. First, we have como te llamas, which is what is your name, and we have como se llama usted, also meaning what is your name. Again, the difference between the two is that one is familiar, that you use for people that you know and close to, and usted is used for a form of people that's you're just meeting and stuff like that. Me llamo, meaning my name is. Soy, meaning I am. Next, we have mucho gusto, which is nice to meet you. Encantado and encantada, depending on if it's male or female, is pleased to meet you. And igualmente, meaning likewise. Finally, we have quiero presente a, meaning I would like to introduce you to. And we also have quiero presentarle a, meaning I would like to introduce you to such and such as well. The difference is, as I said before, that one is used for people that you know and that you're familiar with. The other is for people that you don't really know in a professional form. That concludes today's lesson of Spanish material. Hopefully, you all were able to get some type of understanding of the material in the work, and I'm glad to have helped you. Adios, amigos.